Welcome to this week's Just the Tip. This week, I'd like to talk about labeling. We like to label because oftentimes, while we might remember where everything goes in our house, it's often the other family members like spouses, children, other people that might be living in your house, and they just aren't following your organizing rules. So one easy way to prevent this from happening is to just making sure that we're adding labels. So we utilize something called a brother labeler. It's really easy. It's Bluetooth. It connects to your phone. You can whip any type of custom labels out really quickly and easily. That's an effective way to do it. Another thing that's really popular is called the Cricut, and that's more of a custom arts and crafts type based labeler that takes a little bit more time and effort, but they're very pretty. So we really highly recommend adding labels to anything that you've taken the time out to categorize and inventory. Would highly recommend putting that label on, especially if you're going to use vertical space and you have things up high or actually really down low. It's nice to have those labels so you can remember what is actually behind that space and in the bin. So here is your tip for the week. Go get yourself some type of cool labeler and get your things labeled so that everyone can follow your awesome organization system. All right, we'll see you next week.